Hello, this is the Details Flower software, and today this video is going to go over the event list. To navigate to the event list, you can click the three horizontal lines found in the top left-hand corner and select Event List. Across the top is the pipeline. The pipeline organizes your customers based off of where they are in the process. To navigate your clients through the pipeline, you select the icons to the left-hand side. This will give you a list of drop-down options. Above this column, you can click the Event List icon legend for a brief overview of which icon puts them in what box above. For example, out of my 12 current events, 2 of them have yet to book me, so maybe I sent the proposal, they just have yet to sign it. Out of those 12 current, 3 of them have planned the event with me by signing or making a payment. 2 of them are in the review stage, meaning that they're in the table review or logistic review of capping out changes, maybe 2 to 3 weeks prior to the event. And final will be all of the customers that you are finally done receiving the payment, ordering products, and getting it put together. If you would like to move multiple customers into a certain box above, you can select the box on the right-hand side of the event list, and at the bottom of the screen, choose to change their status. This also gives you the option to mark these events as did not book or archive them for future reference. In the center of our screen, you can select the current drop-down menu to view all events that you have ever entered, any past events that have automatically moved there based off of the event date, navigate to events you didn't book or archived. If there's an event that you need to move from a list back to the current list, you can choose on the right-hand side to check that box and restore that event at the bottom of the screen. If you need to find a customer throughout all of these records, you can always click the search button to find them by their name. Clicking Pipeline will bring you back to the original viewing point. Next to the search button on the right-hand side is the option to export out this data. And then we have these settings to go ahead and customize the columns. On the right-hand side is the option to make a column visible or hidden. Next to that is the option to make it sticky or not, which basically means as you navigate your scroll bar, that information will stay stuck to the side of the screen. On Hover chooses what happens when you hover over this column name. Is it going to show you maybe the payments that were made? When clicked, gives you the option to select where this will navigate you when you click that column. At the bottom, you can turn on some other settings that allow you to right-click and see a menu. Also, the option of what you want this event list to default to, whether it be the pipeline or the search and filters. Be sure to save those settings accordingly. So for example, I have it where when I hover over my event date, it shows me whether or not I have received any payments. If I hover over the client name, I have it to where it shows me additional client information. I do have my right-click menu option turned on, so when I right-click, I can choose where I want this to navigate me to within the software. At the bottom, if I use my scroll bar, you'll notice my client name is stuck to the left. Be sure to visit our top left-hand corner underneath Support for any additional tutorials or questions you may have. We hope this video has helped. Thanks so much.